Accessing dossier. Decrypting file. Jake. Jacob Bressler, aka Jake, is the leader of a skateboarding group who call themselves Subway Surfers. He fancies himself a street artist who goes by the name Jays. School records show Jake is an average student with above-average intelligence. He has a voracious appetite for food, apparently all kinds, and risk-taking, which may explain his numerous trespassing violations in the subway station yard. Jake's vast knowledge of the city and lack of respect for authority make him dangerous. Assessment. High interest. Monitor closely. End of dossier. Connecting to further content.